What if I told you that somewhere in the universe there are objects so powerful that not even light can escape them? And maybe, just maybe, there are cosmic objects that do the exact opposite. Today, we're diving into one of the greatest mysteries in astrophysics: black holes and white holes. Are white holes real? Could they be connected? And what would happen if you fell into one? Let's explore the darkest and brightest secrets of the universe. A black hole is what happens when a massive star dies. When stars much larger than our sun run out of fuel, they explode in a supernova. What's left behind collapses under its own gravity until it becomes something infinitely dense. This is a black hole. The gravity becomes so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. That's why it's called black. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. Once you cross it, there's no coming back. At the very center lies something we still don't fully understand: the singularity. A point where physics as we know it completely breaks down. Even Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity predicts it, but cannot explain it. You wouldn't just get crushed, you'd be stretched. Scientists call this spaghettification. The gravity at your feet would be stronger than at your head, stretching you into a long, thin strand. Sounds terrifying. Gets weirder. Some physicists believe black holes may not be the end, but a doorway. And that's where white holes come in. A white hole is essentially the opposite of a black hole. If black holes suck everything in, white holes push everything out. Nothing can enter a white hole. Everything must exit it. Think of it like a cosmic fountain of matter and energy. White holes weren't discovered in space. They were discovered in math. In 1935, physicists studying Einstein's equations found something strange. If black holes are allowed by the laws of physics, then the equations also allow their reverse. This theoretical connection is known as an Einstein-Rosen bridge. Today, we call it a wormhole, a tunnel connecting to different points in space or time. Some theories suggest a black hole in one part of the universe could be connected to a white hole somewhere else, meaning what goes in might come out. But here's the problem. We've observed black holes. We even photographed one in 2019, but we have never directly observed a white hole. They remain purely theoretical. Some scientists think white holes may have existed only briefly during the Big Bang. Others think they might be hiding in plain sight. There's a fascinating idea proposed by Stephen Hawking. He suggested that black holes aren't completely black. They slowly lose energy through something called Hawking radiation. Over trillions of years, a black hole could evaporate. But what happens at the very end? Some modern theories, including loop quantum gravity, suggest something wild. Instead of collapsing forever, a black hole could rebound. Like a compressed spring can become a white hole. In this scenario, black holes don't destroy information. They temporarily store it and release it later. This would solve one of physics' biggest mysteries, the information paradox. Here's the honest answer. We don't know. There is no direct evidence that white holes exist. But there have been strange cosmic explosions, like gamma ray bursts, that made scientists briefly wonder, could this be a white hole? So far, every observation has had another explanation. But science evolves. Not long ago, black holes were considered mathematical curiosities. Now we know they exist at the center of nearly every galaxy, including our own. At the center of the Milky Way lies Sagittarius A*. So who knows? Maybe one day we'll confirm white holes too. Some physicists speculate that white holes could connect to other universes. If true, black holes might be cosmic bridges, or even birthplaces of new universes. Some radical theories suggest our entire universe might have formed inside a black hole in another universe. Mind-blowing, right? Still speculative. But it shows how little we truly understand about reality. Black holes are real. White holes are theoretical. But both challenge our understanding of space, time, and existence. The universe is stranger than science fiction, and we're just beginning to uncover its secrets. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cosmic mysteries, like the video, subscribe for more space explorations, and comment below. Do you think white holes exist? Or are they just beautiful math? See you in the next journey through the universe.